Yeah, just yeah. Guys, it's Mata. It's Mata. I sleep like Aratzat. Anything you Aratzat.
What's up, Daisy?
Salam, Alazar.
How are you? እኔም እንዳንቺ ላወራ እስኪ።
ደህና ነኝ። እንዴት ነህ?
ላገባ ነው። ምን ታስቢያለሽ?
አንተ ሚስት አለህ አሁን?
ያ ላገባ ነው አሁን።
ወይኔ congratulations.
ምን ታስቢያለሽ?
No, የኔ ምክር ምንድን ነው? Like አንድ ደቂቃ በፊት there was አንድ ወንድ በላይቭ በእኔ and then the ወንድ አውራ like ቆንጆ ነሽ and እኔ like ባል አለኝ and እሱ like አው እኔ ሚስት አለኝ and it's ምንም ችግር ግን it's የኔ ምክር ምንድን ነው? Like ተው ጅንጅና like ብዙ ሴቶች if አንተ ሚስት አለ the ቆንጆ ነሽ is በጣም like ልብ ማለት ነው and if የኔ ባል አውራ like ቆንጆ ነሽ ለሌላ ሴት እኔ ችግር አለኝ ግን ሌላ ሀበሻ ወንዶች that's የኔ ችግር አይደለም።
Daisy, hold the fuck on, baby. Hold on, mama. First of all, this is social media. You should know, mama. Do you know what the social media used for?
No.
It's, let's say I'm give you a good example before my social media. I'm entertainer for the majority time. I like to entertain my people, make them laugh, make them forget their problem time to time. You know, if you're at work, you stress the fuck out and shit. You got your coffee, your laptop at work. You can listen to Al-Azhar. I'll bless your day. Flirting is when you talk to these people inside, you know what I'm saying? On the low, on the bullshit, you go over there, hey baby. That's flirting. What we doing out here is entertainment, mama.
Again, entertainment is like, I don't know, maybe it's just anything. I don't know. I would never like, I don't know. That's
Easy. Anchiko Gana, listen, boo boo. You have a lot to live, mama. Between you and me, it's almost 20 years difference. At least minimum. I'm telling you, I'm serious. It's gonna be. I'm 41. So I'm 41. I'm sure you're in the 20s still, right? 22, 23, probably.
21.
Exactly, mama. Let me tell you, you have so much to live, so much to learn. So much, you're gonna do a lot of mistakes in your life that you're gonna learn out of it. Believe me or not, I'm just serious.
Mom, what does mistake have to do with this? I'm so confused. I'm just saying, okay, being listening, I'm just saying, like, I don't know, maybe it's, oh my god, I don't
Mama, first of all, you were so in love so much, I don't think you can see anything other than that. For the last couple of months, I see you. All you give a fuck about is that nigga's love. I respect that. I'm happy for you.
I'm gonna go. Sorry, Alazar. I'm gonna go. Mental. Indeed, my point I was gonna say, like, through social media, you shouldn't joke even if it's social media. If you have, like, فكرينيات, like, act the same on social media and act the same in real life. That's all I was trying to say. He starts saying, like, mistake, Winnie. Oh my god. Anyways. Winnie, so it's triggered by Mata, I think. Mata, like, it's Radalam, so it's, I don't understand.
አማን ነው ወይ?
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን።
ደግ ነሽ?
ደግ ነኝ።
ምን ነው ፈዘሻል ዛሬ ደግሞ?
I don't know. At our mata, there's ibd sewage. I don't understand.
አሁን እኮ እየመሸ ነው አይደል እንዴ? እየመሸ ነው።
አልገባኝ።
Yeah, it is almost 7:30.
No, I just think like
ምሽት means dark. ሰማሽኝ?
ያ
ምን አዲስ ነገር አለ?
ምንም።
ህይወት እንዴት እያደረገሽ ነው?
ቆንጆ ነው።
ቆንጆ ነው።
So much.
ናፍቆት እንዴት ይዞሻል?
Stop.
ናፍቆት
Stop.
ናፍቆት
Stop.
ስታፕ?
Yes, stop. Erwini.
ምን ማለት ነው ስታፕ? ምን አልኩሽ? What's wrong with you? ምን አረኩሽ? እንዴ ነገ መጠየቅ አልችልም ማለት ነው እንዴ?
Stop talk about yini nafkot you it.
ናፍቆት ካልኩሽ ናፍቆት በቃ አብከግልሽ።
ሌላስ
አያ በጣም ስለናፈቀኝ ስለናፍቆት እንዲያዝሩስባት you too much ናፍቆት you know I know. መልካም ገና
or ምንድነው ገና አልገባኝም።
መልካም ገና ማለት ሜሪ ክሪስማስ።
Okay, መልካም ገና ciao.
What? You say ciao?
Yes, outer Leila.
እንዲያው ዲዚዋ ዛሬስ ባዶ ቤት ተቀመጠሽ ጨነቀሽ ማሬ። ስሚ
What?
እንቅልፍ ነው ርቦሽ ነው የምታፋሽጊው?
What do you want to say to me?
You hungry or sleep? Like
what do you have to say to me? What else do you want to say?
ርቦሽ ነው or እንቅልፍ ነው?